Hello students, welcome to the second video of the chapter Introduction to Three-Dimensional Geometry. In the previous video, we had discussed about how um, how the space is divided into 8 different parts which are called octants, and how to label points in those 8 different parts. What kind of points will be located in which octant? We have learned about this, right? Now, in this video, let us suppose that now we know what points are located in which octant. Let us say we have to let me do some figure. This is like this, right? In this video, we will learn about the distance formula and the section formula, right? Now, try assuming this kind of partition between them, right? Now, let's say we have one point in one octant and the other point in the some other octant. So let A be a point, A be a point with coordinates x1, y1 and z1. B be another point with coordinates x2, y2. Both the points are in space, right? If we have to find the distance between them, what is the distance formula? Distance AB is given by the formula x2 minus x1 whole square. See, derivation of this formula cannot be done in this small video, so that can be done only in classes. So you just remember this. Till class 10th, you have learned about distance formula is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now, since the third dimension has been added to the already existing plane, that means this will be the same, z2 minus z1 whole square, right? This is the distance formula between any 2 points in a three-dimensional space, right? Let us do one question. So it's all about calculations only. Take any question like find the distance between P minus 2, 3, 5 and Q, which is 1, 2, 3. Now apply the formula. Distance formula you have to write as this is x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square. Right? Now start putting the values in this formula. This is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x2 minus x1, 1 minus 2. This subtraction sign is in the formula itself. And this is the sign of the number. So 1 minus 2 is 1 plus 2 whole square. Y2 is 2 minus 3 whole square. Z2 is 3 minus Z1 is 5 whole square. So you simply solve this now. This is 2 plus 1, 3 square, plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 whole square. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 square. 9 added to 1 added to 2 times 2 is 4. This is square root 14, which cannot be factorized further. So this is square root 14 units is the length or the distance between these 2 points, right? Next is section formula. This we too had learnt in class 10. Let me remind you the first formula, then we will simply add the third dimension to it, right? Let AB be a line segment with x1, y1, z1. I'm taking all the 3 points here. B, x2, let these 2 points lie in space, right? and there exists some point P which divides the join of these 2 points, or the line segment joining these 2 points in the ratio internally in the ratio m is to n, right? Then coordinates of point P are given by the formula. X coordinate is, see, you can remember it this way, m times the previous ratio, earlier ratio with the latter coordinate, m times x2 plus the latter ratio with the previous coordinate, n times x1. And internal division, we go for m plus n. This way we can find the x coordinate of the point P. Y can be found, use the same formula, m times y2, m times y2, n times y1 upon m plus n. And z is m times z2. Z or z mean the same thing. N times z1 upon n plus n. Right? So this is a section formula which is used to find the ratio in which a point divides the join of 2 points, or otherwise, even if this point is given and you have to find the ratio, you can use the same thing, right? Let us do one question. Let A be a point -1, 2, 3. B be a point 3, -4, 5. So find the coordinates of point P which divides AB in the ratio, let's say 2:1. So now A is -1, 2, 3. B is 3, -4, 5. Let P be here. 2 means this first part is double in size with respect to the second part. So this is ratio 2, this is ratio 1. Now coordinates of P. Coordinates of P. For x coordinate, use the formula. See, the previous ratio with the latter coordinate, 2 times 3. Add it to 1 times -1, right? Divided by 2 plus 1. Y is similarly 2 times -4. Added to 1 times 2 upon 2 plus 1. Z is 2 times 5. 2 times 5. Added to 1 times 3 divided by 2 plus 1. Let us simplify this. This is 2 times 3 is 6 -1 upon 3, which is 5 by 3. 2 times -4 is -8, added to 2. -6. -8 plus 2, -6 by 3, which is -2. This is 10 added to 3 divided by 3, 13 by 3. So the coordinates of P are x is 5 by 3, y is -2, and z is 13 by 3. Right? This is a straightforward application only. Rest of the questions you have to practice in classes only. So I have explained you these two formulae which are useful in this chapter. If you like watching this video or you plan to take classes with me, do contact me through WhatsApp. Thank you.